we have a low and a high right in here. There's an imbalance. That's a fair value gap. So sell side delivery has been offered. So in this candle, it goes right back up inside the pocket of this high and this low. That right there is another shorting opportunity. You can get short there. You can place a stop loss above here and walk away. The market trades back up, trades deeper into this area, not by much above that, but you can see all the way to the point of this candle here. Let me add it so you can appreciate it. But this is where if you take the trades using this, you can suffer some time delay and a little bit of drawdown. Like for instance, say you sold short here, you'd have a little bit of drawdown in this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. Might got up excited a little bit there, thinking it's going to finally break, but it goes all the way up to this level here, doesn't completely fill it in yet, and then finally gives up the ghost and trades lower. You see that? So all of this area here doesn't quite get filled, but then it breaks this low. When it does that, that's indicating that this right here is a really strong indication that we're going lower, and it's probably not going to come back up to this price level. We're going to probably see much more pronounced delivery on the downside. And scrunch this up. Market creates another run below this low here. So we have this low and this high. So what's actually happening here? Same thing. Prices going back up into this candle. Now here's a real gem, okay? This low and this high. Price has went down, gone up, and then down to this price point right there. You see that? So all of this is a balanced price range. The market has been delivered on the downside, and then it's delivered on the upside, and it's down again. So when the market trades back up here, it's not, listen folks, this is really important. It is not support broken, term resistance. That's what's going on here. That's not what happens. If you're looking for key support and resistance levels, if you have this signature here where it breaks through it, then comes back, that point where it does that, then yes, your support and resistance theories will work there. But whenever it doesn't have this, and you're trying to find a old low and you're looking for it to be broken and you're looking for resistance, it's not going to work unless it has this. Okay, it's not going to happen. So in other words, what do I mean by that? If it starts to go a little bit lower, it stops it here, and then it starts another little candle here and goes a little bit lower and go lower, I would go back in the 90s and I would say, okay, this is a support broken, turn resistance, and I would try to sell short. And either it never went back up there, or if it did, it went right on back up inside the range, and I would lose. And I would walk away thinking this support and resistance stuff doesn't work. For support and resistance to work, it needs to have this little signature right there. Okay, it's an overshoot through that old low after it has shown a balanced price range.